Hello and welcome to another video by Emily Learning. In this video, I'll talk about what you need to know for O-level physics on the topic of temperature. So let's get started. Alright, so if you look at it, the topic on temperature is very short. There's only 2 points that you need to know. So let's look at them. So the first one, I need to explain how a physical property which varies with temperature such as volume, resistance, may be used to define temperature scale. So we can use a property to measure temperature if it varies with temperature. So such properties includes volume of a liquid, which is often used in the liquid in glass thermometer. Okay. So for the liquid in glass thermometer, what we are making use of is the change in the volume of the liquid with temperature. So for example, when temperature increases, the liquid will expand. Okay, when the temperature decreases, the liquid will contract, right? So this is what we make use to to measure the temperature. So we can make use of this property to measure temperature. Okay, we can also make use of the difference in resistance of a metal at different temperatures. Okay, we can also make use of the EMF, okay, produced by junctions formed with wires of two different metals, okay, to define the temperature scale. So basically, as long as something can change with temperature, we can use it to, we can use that change in property to calibrate it into a thermometer. Next, let's talk about calibration of liquid in glass thermometer. So to calibrate a liquid in glass thermometer, what we need two fixed points. So we can make use of the ice point, which is at 0 degrees Celsius, and also the steam point, which is at 100 degrees Celsius. So what we'll do is we will place this in ice, pure ice. So because why it needs to be pure, this because melting point of ice is a constant only when it is pure. Okay, so we measure. So the level of the mercury thread or the level of this liquid at 0 degrees Celsius tells us where it should be at 0 degrees Celsius. Then we do the same. We place this thermometer uh, that we want to calibrate above boiling water. Okay, so we look at where the mercury thread is, uh, and that would be the position for 100 degrees Celsius. So now we know 0 to 100 degrees Celsius, then we can calibrate it. So we can then we can draw the different markings, okay, so that we can measure the other temperatures. So that is how you calibrate a thermometer. Okay, so ice point refers to the point of melting ice, where steam point refers to the point where we have steam. Okay, so we need to boil water and the steam will move up to the thermometer, and that is what we call steam point. All right, so that's it for the topic on temperature.